My name is Shane Shiflett. I'm the owner of this 1982 American LaFrance Century pumper slash tanker. The reason why it's a tanker is it shuttles water for structure fires, barn fires, hydrants go down. It's been on GMAG, mutual aid responses as a water shuttle. It's caught a couple fires here in the Metro Atlanta area. When it was in New York, it was an open cab. Then it actually got transformed once it went to North Lawrence as an enclosed cab. The backside is all rebuilt. Came from New York. My best friend who just passed away, Dave Williams, he was a huge fire buff throughout the Southeast. He picked the truck up from North Lawrence, brought it down here to Georgia. It came from Brooklyn. It was engine 290. It was stationed on the Sheffield Avenue station with a ladder truck. It went to World Trade Towers on 9/11. It spent some time there because it was in Brooklyn. So I got 38 years on the job as a career firefighter. I'm at Dobbins Air Reserve Base. Then my company I own is Shiflett Enterprises, Georgia Fire Props. I cater into the emergency services side of the movie production company, as I have 7 fire trucks. I just obtained 2 more, so that'll be 9. A ladder truck, several ambulances and police cars, along with props from weapons to medical gear to firefighter gear, uniforms, which we supply to all the production companies here in the Metro Atlanta area. So I got a phone call after the damage was done because somebody backed into the truck at the storage yard. So this wonderful company here, they replaced the headlight assembly. They spent a couple hours on just polishing the lights, and they were hard to find lights. We found them out of the Northeast. We brought them to them. They've been excellent. They replaced the whole headlight assembly, the headlights, and now it's here to get painted from the damage from the collision.